What's the meaning of attribution? Attribution. Attribution.
Attribution. Attribution. Attribution refers to the process of identifying or assigning the cause or source of a particular event or action. It involves determining the factors that have contributed to the occurrence of a specific outcome. In other words, attribution is the act of inferring what caused a certain result or behavior. The result of attribution can provide insight into the reasons why things happen and can help individuals and organizations make more informed decisions based on this understanding. Attribution can be applied in various contexts such as psychology, sociology, marketing, and public policy.